Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to attach an attachment or a file in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so once you log in your Google account, go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail. And then to attach an email, of course, you'll need to compose or reply to an email. Don't worry, it's just the same when you compose an email or you reply to an email. As you can see, the buttons at the bottom part is still the same. So in order for you to attach an attachment or file, just click this paper clip, which is the icon for attach files. Once you click it, you can already see the files from your computer and you can attach them to your email. You can attach anything such as videos, photos, PDF files, Word files, Excel files, and many more. So for example, I want to attach this one. I'll just be clicking open. And then as you can see, the file is already attached to the email. And once I click send, the attachment is seen in my sent message. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!